Fishy, fishy in the brook. Daddy caught them on a hook. Mama fried them in a pan. Baby ate them like a man. Yum, yum, yum. Yum, yum, yum. Look at here, children. Where do these fish live? Fish live in the water. What are these? These are camels. We find them in the desert. These are penguins. We find them in the polar region. These are deers. We find them in the forest. This is swan. We find them in the fresh water. This is a planet Earth. And the Earth is a home to a variety of plants and animals. Different types of plants and animals live on the Earth. And the animals which live on this Earth are different from each other in their food, feeding habits, nesting habits, movements, and many other characteristics. Today, we learn about the world of animals. In this chapter, we will be learning about the habitat of animals, the body covering of animals, feeding habits, breathing organs in animals, and movements in animals. Animals live everywhere on the earth. The place where animals live naturally is called its habitat. The place where animal lives naturally is called its habitat. Now, let us know the habitat of the animals of forest, desert, polar region, ocean, and freshwater. Let us see how animals live in the forest. A forest is a vast region and that is covered densely by trees and different varieties of plants. You can see many varieties of plants and trees, and the trees are densely covered. In some forests, even the sunlight can't fall on the ground. That thick trees will be there. That densely trees will be covered. The forest is covered by the trees. And such type of forests provide shelter to animals. Animals like lion, tiger, deer, fox, giraffe, elephant, monkeys, leopards, cheetah. These animals live on land and trees. It also gives shelter to animals like hare, rat, and snake. Where do they live? They live in the burrows. burrows. What is burrow, children? A burrow is a hole in the ground. Inside the burrows, the animals like hare, rat, snake live. They live in the burrows. Small animals and insects are also found in the forest. Insects like ant, butterfly, beetles, bugs, butterflies, bees, flies, all these insects are found in the forest. Once again, we learn about forest, children. Forest gave shelter to the plants and animals. And forest is covered with full of trees, densely covered with trees. And some animals live on the land and the trees. They are lion, tiger, leopard, cheetah, etc. And some animals like hare, rat, snake live in burrows. Burrows means a hole in the ground. And some animals and insects live like fly, beetles, ant, bugs, butterfly, bees, etc. All these live in the forest. Now, let us know the habitat of desert animals. Desert. This desert, it is a sandy and dry region because it receives very little rainfall. Rarely it rains and it is hot during the daytime and cold during the night time. Daytime it will be too hot. Night time it will be too cold. Due to these reasons, the animals found here have some special features. These features help them to live in such harsh conditions. The conditions are very harsh. Nobody can live in this hot desert, right? Now many desert animals, they have a thick skin that helps them to avoid water loss through sweating. Means they do not sweat very often. That is why through sweat the water is not going out. And many other animals hide in their burrows. Why do they hide in the burrows, children? To escape the heat. Burrow means, what is burrow? A hole in the ground. Inside the ground they go and hide. And these animals can even store water and food in their body. For example, animals like camel, scorpion, bandicoot, hedgehog, desert tortoise, all these we can find in the desert region. Some of the famous deserts in the world are Arctic Desert, Sahara Desert and Gobi Desert. These are some of the famous deserts of the world. Look at the map, children. The Sahara Desert lies to the north of the Africa. This is the African continent. To the north of the African continent, the Sahara Desert will be there. So this is Sahara Desert. Now look at this map. This is the continent Asia. In this continent Asia, there is a country called Mongolia. Now here you can find Gobi Desert. The Gobi Desert is located in Mongolia and it is there in the Asia. And we can find Arctic Desert in the polar region. Sahara Desert, Gobi Desert and Arctic Desert. Just now we learnt the habitat of animals of forest and desert region. Now let us switch on to the polar region. Now look at this globe, children. This is North Pole and this is South Pole. The region around the North Pole is called polar region and region around the South Pole is also called polar region. And the North Pole region is named as Arctic and the South Pole region is named as Antarctic. And these regions, the Arctic region and the Antarctic region, are always covered with ice and snow. The animals which are found in this polar region have developed special features because the weather is very cold. Such harsh cold weather, it will be very difficult to survive. Their bodies are covered with fur, and most of the animals have a thick layer of fat beneath the fur which keeps them warm. Because of this thick layer and the fat beneath the fur, they are able to keep their body warm. And many animals here live in groups because they can protect themselves from the cold. When we all live together, cozy, sitting together in groups, we feel little warm, right? So even animals feel warm, so they roam or they go in always groups. Example of polar region animals are penguins, polar bear. Look at this walrus, children. Have you seen the surroundings of walrus? Completely filled with ice. In this harsh, cold condition, this walrus is able to live. Now, these animals are seal, S-E-A-L, seal. Observe the skin of the seals, children. Very thick. See this bird, children, snowy owl. Why is it called snowy owl? Because it can live in the snow region. Snowy owl. Look at this animal, children. Arctic hare. This lives in the polar region. This is Arctic fox. A-R-C, arc, T-I-C, tick, Arctic, F-O-X, fox. Where do we find this Arctic fox? In the polar regions. Children, can anybody tell what do we call the thick layer of fat? The thick layer of fat beneath the fur of animals. Beneath the fur of animals, there is thick layer of fat. What is it called? Because of that fat, they are able to keep themselves warm. Can you tell me the name of that fat? It is called blubber. B-L-U-B-B-E-R, blubber. The world of animals, habitat. Animals, the habitat of forest animals, habitat of desert animals, habitat of polar region animals we have learnt. Now we'll go to the habitat of ocean animals. Look at this ocean, children. An ocean is a vast and continuous body of saline water. Saline water means salty water. This ocean water is always with the salt. And this is the largest habitat on the earth because 70% of the water is covered. The planet Earth is covered with the 70% of the water. So a large variety of animals are found here. Some of them are whale, dolphin, seal, seahorse and octopus and many more. And these animals are well adapted to live in salty water. This is whale, found in ocean, salty water. It can survive in the salty water, saline water. These are dolphins. Even these dolphins can survive in the salty water, saline water, ocean water. This is seahorse. This is seahorse. Even this animal is found in the ocean water, salty or saline water. Now this animal is seal. S-E-A-L, seal. Where is it found, children? Even this is found in the ocean water, salty water, saline water. Now this is octopus. This is also found in ocean. Now we have learnt the habitat of forest animals, desert animals, polar region animals, ocean animals. Now we are going to learn about freshwater animals. Look at this freshwater, children. Freshwater is naturally occurring water on the earth's surface, and this water contains minimal quantities of dissolved salts. Means the salt is dissolved in it, but very less quantity of that dissolved salt is found in this water. Some examples of freshwater habitats are ponds, P-O-N-D-S, ponds, lakes, L-A-K-E-S, lakes, rivers, R-I-V-E-R-S, rivers, streams, S-T-R-E-A-M, stream. And this kind of habitat gives shelter to numerous animals like fish, frog, salamander, toad, duck, swan, crane, and number of insects also live in this water. Where can we find this tortoise, children? We can find this tortoise in the fresh water. Today we have learnt about the world of animals, habitat, forest, desert, polar region, ocean and freshwater. I'll ask you a few questions. Just answer to my questions, children. Penguin, seal and polar bear. Name the habitat of these animals, children. Penguin, seal and polar bear. What is the habitat of these animals? Yes, polar region. Now, name the habitat of swan, frog and salamander. Yes, you are right. The habitat of these animals is freshwater. Now, name the habitat of seahorse, octopus and whale. Which place we can find them? Seahorse, octopus and whale. Yes, you are right. We can find them. Their habitat is oceans. The next question. Name the habitat of these animals. Camel, scorpion, bandicoot. Bandicoot. Camel, scorpion and bandicoot. Tell me the answer. What is their habitat? Habitat of these animals? Yes, you are right. The habitat of these animals is desert. Now children, tell me the habitat of lion, elephant, tiger, zebra. Tell me the habitat of these animals. Yes, the habitat of these animals is forest. So today we have learnt about the habitats, forest, desert, polar region, ocean and freshwater. In this chapter, the world of animals, you have learnt today about the habitat of animals. Now, the next one is body covering, feeding habits, breathing organs in animals and movement in animals. We'll do this in the next session.